In today's video, we are diving into how to share contacts across multiple Google accounts. By default, Google doesn't offer an option to share contacts directly between accounts. But don't worry, we'll harness the power of a third-party service to synchronize contacts seamlessly. Once set up, you can access these contacts on all your devices, your phone, tablet, or computer. You can grant full editing rights to the shared contacts or limit users to view-only access. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Head over to getsharedcontacts.com and sign in using Google account. I have previously set up a list shared with two Google accounts. Think of this list as a label, similar to what you would see on the Google Contacts dashboard. Once you have created a label, return to the Get Shared Contacts dashboard to set up sharing. An invite is sent out when shared, letting the user join the shared contact list. Let me walk you through creating and sharing a new label. We will start by creating the label inside Google Contacts. After a quick refresh of Get Shared Contacts dashboard, our new label appears. Now, I am going to share this label with another user. An important feature: if you enable this option, user can access these shared contacts on their mobile devices. For demonstration purpose, I will set up the access label to view only and hit the share button. With that, our contact sharing setup is complete. Returning to Google Contact dashboard, choose a contact and apply our newly created label. In this case, test sharing. Typically, shared contacts appear in the other accounts within 24 hours. But if you are in a hurry, you can sync instantly with the Google Chrome extension. A handy feature: manually updating the shared list. Log into the Get Shared Contacts dashboard and hit the sync option. For a quick check, let's hop over to our second account and reload the page. Our newly shared contacts is right here. But here's a common question. What happened if you update a shared contacts? Yes, updates are mirrored on shared contacts typically within 24 hours. However, if you are eager to see changes instantly, you know the drill. Log into the dashboard and sync manually. A quick note on contact photos: the sharing option for contact photos is initially turned off. If you want to activate it, email the developers at support@getsharedcontacts.com. You can see on the second account, I have the contact photos as well. Wrapping up, if you found this tutorial valuable, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Having questions or feedback, drop them in the comments below and I'll reply. Thank you for tuning in.